Let's go up to Se. I so we're gonna go up that way. I don't know why, but there's always people with their suitcases like that. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. I don't know, it's like the coloring, those clouds seem kind of like interesting. I don't know if that's part of the camera or what that is. These clouds are kind of interesting. It's like something like a backdrop or something. So we got some music, and I think what we're going to do is we're going to kind of walk up towards Senado Square. So we're going to show you some of this too. Go up to Se. So we're gonna go up that way. I don't know why, but there's always people with their suitcases like that. I don't know why, but whenever I see a lot of Chinese from mainland China, they open up their suitcases a lot in public. I'm not really sure why, but they're always like opening up suitcases in public, and I don't even know. I don't know if they're just repacking it. They're walking around suitcases and they repack it a lot in public. I don't know, it's kind of interesting. I never open up suitcases in public. Kind of, just never thought of it. I guess culturally, you don't really want people looking into what you have in your suitcases, because I guess, I don't know why that is. Maybe out of shame or embarrassment, or nothing to be ashamed of, but you know, what's in suitcases anyways. So we're gonna walk up to Se. And we have two ways. We could go up that way right there. So this is one particular alley. There's Grand Lisboa straight ahead. But instead what I'm going to do is I'm going to go this way. There's another way up to Cathedral Se as well, so we're going to walk that one. Nice. Let's see, what's that other way? I think it was that way, but maybe it's maybe just down that alley. So maybe we do have to go down the alley. I was thinking there was another way. Let's just kind of take a look real quick. Let's see. Well, it looks like we're going to go up a little bit further. Huh. I thought it was going to go up to Se. Let's see. Oh, it's up this way. That's right. So there's a couple different ways. There's a few different ways to go up there, and I could have taken 3 different ways, but I wanted to go up this one because it was a little bit busier street. And I think people like to see that, like to see the busyness of the streets. So yeah, that's right. The Se was up here. That goes up to Sao Paulo ruins, straight up that way. Then the Se goes up this way. So yeah, this is the street I wanted to capture. Travessa de Se, and we're gonna go up this one. So you kind of got a little bit of a, well, you can see how Senado Square goes up to Se. So it's not like it's totally lost video or anything like that. Portuguese. It says Portuguese, but I don't think it's actually Portuguese. Let's just see what that is. Hello. I think it's kind of like a fusion. So sometimes they'll, I think they're using that as a selling point, so they're saying it's Portuguese, but actually it's cleaning up the dog. Yeah, sometimes they'll say it's Portuguese, but that was like they had like all kinds of Western stuff, so I think it's basically targeted towards the China audience that's in here in Macau right now. For the last 2 years, it's only China, so there's no. Wow, it's beautiful at nighttime too. And we're gonna end this up at Se. Could definitely film down that street too. But we're gonna keep going up. A lot of cool stuff tonight. And now we're up at Se Cathedral, which is right there. So yeah, this is all Se, S-E. And we have this little plaza up here too. Might be a whole other video, so I'll save this for another video. But yeah, we made it up to Se. We'll do a separate video of this whole area. Let's go check out the road. Oh, hey guys. 3 things. Like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. Alright.